Accomplished Filipina journalist Tina Monson Palma joins us today on Kababayan LA, and not only that, she will answer your questions too. Don't go anywhere. Kababayan LA starts right now. She's not just reporting the news, she also makes an impact in other people's lives, particularly sa mga street kids po, dahil siya din ay involved sa Bantay Bata ABS-CBN Foundation. We're going to be talking about that today on Kababayan LA. Magandang hapon po. Kayo po ay nanonood ng kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang daily talk show dito sa Amerika para sa ating mga kababayan. At dahil nga po pinapa-connecta namin kayo doon sa mga pangyayari sa Pilipinas, every Tuesday afternoon nakikipagtsikahan po tayo sa ating Philippine correspondent May Valdez is joining us on the line to give us the Yahoo Philippines top search trends para dito sa linggong ito. Hi May, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Magandang hapon mga kababayan.
All right.
Okay.
First news, hot all over the world, the death of a terrorist, Osama bin Laden. And hot search din yan sa Yahoo.
Yes, sa Yahoo Philippines. Grabe, nung araw na in-announce siya na medyo kahapon lang ata yun. Talagang hindi ako pumasok na nandito ako sa bahay. So, talagang nakatutok ako sa CNN buong magdamag talaga.
Okay.
So, ang effect nun dito sa Manila naman, Janelle, no? So, the Philippine authorities medyo nag-step up din ng security measures dahil syempre in-instruct ni President Aquino na sinasabi niya na the country and all the other nations should still remain vigilant dahil nga hindi porket namatay na si Osama bin Laden ay kailangan maging complacent naman tayo.
Right, of course, kasi yung Al-Qaeda na sinasabi nilang directly linked kay Osama bin Laden is also linked sa ating Abu Sayyaf sa Philippines.
Oo, fina-fund nila daw yung ating Abu Sayyaf. Kaya naman yung PNP, they've increased its security patrols over the diplomatic areas, namely yung, syempre, yung US Embassy at syempre nag-beef up din ang security sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So, definitely talaga, although it marks parang a signal defeat for the forces of sinasabi nga terrorism, yung sinasabi ni President Aquino, no, sinasabi din niya na kailangan maging careful din tayong lahat.
Okay, what about it's still summer there and a lot of people are going out of town, some people are going to Davao, some beautiful islands sa may Mindanao.
That's right.
Oo.
Pero syempre, right now, like recently, meron akong mga team na pumunta ulit out of town for an event. Okay, may security measures. It's just that tatagal ka lang talaga sa biyahe, no?
So,
dahil nga, syempre, mahaba ang pila kasi mas intricate ngayon ang pag-suksuk-suksuk nila sa loob ng bag mo.
Right. But they are saying, May, that the death of Osama is just one of the miracles of Pope John Paul II. He was beatified on the same day that Osama bin Laden was killed.
Yes, I super love Pope John Paul II, especially because medyo may malay tao na ako ng World Youth Day, kaya talaga namang alam ko talaga ang pagmamahal ng mga Pilipino para kay Pope, no? As a matter of fact, yung 16-year-old car na Pope Mobile, ngayon ay talagang dinadagsa ng mga tao. They take photographs, they post beside it, yung iba hinahawakan pa,
right. Where is it?
hoping na ma-cure sila sa kanilang illness.
Where is it?
Dahil na feeling nila miraculous yun.
Ayan, where is it, May?
Right now, it's actually touring several churches in Bulacan. That's gonna be until May 15, and then after that, there are plans to bring it around so that people can meditate and offer prayers beside it. So, I can still recall, no, I think about more than 5 million people participated in the World Youth Day. Kaya naman talagang major deal for the Filipinos, especially dahil we're a Catholic nation, no?
What about,
so talagang happy tayo na na-beatify na si Pope John Paul II.
What about mga devotions? Alam mo na, marami tayong mga devotee ng Santo Niño, devotee ni Padre Pio. Meron din bang mga devotees si Pope John Paul II?
I believe so, especially from the youth, no? Kasi maraming ang naka-witness ng World Youth Day. Marami talagang parang naniniwala na si Pope yung, parang ano kasi siya very charismatic. charismatic siya, no?
Okay.
Kaya maraming naniniwala na, certain things that they pray for, talagang si Pope John Paul yung nag-help sa kanila. Kaya yes, definitely there are a lot of supporters para ngayon sa ating blessed Pope John Paul II.
Alright, and finally, Manny Pacquiao, lalaban na naman. Kaya kasama siya sa Yahoo Philippines top search trends?
Correct. Ito, marami rin itong patron. Kung maraming patron si Pope, mas marami yata ito na mga obsessed sa boxing dahil again, he will be most definitely hindi lang siya trending topic ng Yahoo for this week, baka until the succeeding weeks dahil lalaban na naman siya this May 7. So, holiday na naman nun dito, Janelle. Wala na namang crime rate, no?
But you know,
relax.
I heard that the last time he fought, itong si Margarito yung kalaban niya, hindi na raw zero crime rate. Nagkaroon daw ng krimen. Somewhere in the province, di ba?
Mga teeny-weeny, mga ganyan. Pero overall, it's really safe to go out during his bout. It's really safe, you can go to the mall, walang katao-tao. Pero pag pumunta ka sa cinema, syempre nandun lahat yung mga nagpa-pay-per-view na nakikinood. So, we're excited, especially because we feel na medyo naman may upper hand siya versus yung kanyang kalaban na si Mosley.
Okay, so where are you planning to watch the fight? Ano bang trends sa ating mga kababayan when they watch Pacquiao? May mga viewing parties or nasa mga theaters? Ano ba?
Definitely, maraming sa theaters, may parties, and even the bars, they open really early for it. Tapos parang meron siyang package na parang may kasama ng food, plus yung papapanood. So, there are a lot of options that you can choose from. But ako, the old-fashioned way, makikinig ako sa radyo.
Ayan.
Why not?
Okay, isang malaking party this coming Saturday sa laban ni Manny Pacquiao. That's gonna be Sunday dyan sa inyo. May, for now, thank you so much for sharing those stories with us.
Thank you also.
If you want to learn more, sundan niyo po si May sa kanyang Twitter account. She is twitter.com/brainbeam. That's the name of her company. And also the website is right there as well if you want to get more information. Thank you so much. First block pa lang po yan ng Kababayan LA. When we return on the show, as I told you earlier, an accomplished Filipina anchor woman is going to be joining us. And not only that, answering your questions as well. So don't go away.